Let us think that we have decided life without complaint. But then what is going to happen? Therefore, there is a journey. What is journey? There is something that is called journey. That is called lifestyle. That is called I have to do this, I have to do that, like this. All right. Let us understand clearly what Gyanavatars Gurudev Swami Tirthagiri explained. There are 14 universes. What is our aim? To have our tour from one universe to all universes. When we have big holidays, then we go for sightseeing. Let us go to Himalaya. Let us go to this nation, that nation. That what we are doing, I am not telling bad, but this is very little. You should have your tour, your journey, how to enter into 14 universes. And to get the complete knowledge of 14 universes. When you are going to Himalaya, then what you know, you have the knowledge, what is the Everest. But that knowledge is little until we can create a universe. In the same way, 14 universes, we are going to travel from one universe to the last one. When you are traveling, then here what you will get? You become the same. You will get complete knowledge of 14 universes, and you can create it. But when you are traveling Himalayan area, when you see the Everest, when you see the Gangotri, Yamunotri, Ganga, Yamuna, or you went to the Israel, you have seen the Jordan river, so many places you have been there. But still we are not getting knowledge how to create that place, how to create mountain, ocean and lake. Keep on traveling in all over the world. We will not get the knowledge how to create that structure. But when you have this tour, going from one universe to next, to next, to next, up to the 14th, then you can create them. Then what is the best tour system? What is the best journey? 14 universes. We should start our journey here. Here is this perfect gain. Very good, because we are able to create them. But when you spend your money, purchase your air ticket, you are going, living in the hotel, having the taxi, having tour, this nation, then that nation, then that nation. We have facility, a good amount of money. Okay, all right. Let us travel all nations. What we are going to get? Only visual picture, or some kind of food, or we'll have some photographs. But when you have tour through Kriya Yoga to the 14 universes, what you are going to get, you can create 14 universes. Better use our all fund, our all money, our all life force, each drop of blood to start this journey, 14 universes.